Welcome back. Now, in order to track what your ads are going to be doing, you're going to need to set up conversion actions from within your Google Ads account. We are now inside of our Google Ads account. And what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to set up a conversion action. So we're going to click this button that says New Conversion Action. You're then going to track the area where you're going to be directing people to. In most cases, you will be working with a specific website. And a website tracks website conversions, link clicks, page views, and signups. This is how you're going to measure the effectiveness of your YouTube ad. We're going to click Website. We're now going to write in website domain. Once you write in the website domain, you're then going to click Scan. What you're then going to do is you're going to identify the events that you want your business to measure from within your Google Ads account. So you're going to come down into this area and you're going to select a specific goal that you're going to measure with your YouTube ad. So in this case, we're going to measure the purchase of a product. And so we're going to measure an individual coming to a specific page after a purchase. So we're going to state that we want to measure the purchase, and the URL is going to be a specific URL. So we're going to get the URL for a specific thank you page that an individual is going to land on when they make a purchase of our product. And we're going to place that URL here in this area. We're then going to click Add. And we are doing this so that we're stating that when an individual lands on this page, we're going to determine that as a specific action that came as a result of our YouTube ad. We can then go into the settings for this particular measurement. What we're going to do is stop the video here, and we're going to pick it up from the conversion action details. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.